in today's video we're going to learn the numbers from 10 until 20 in Greek. Σήμερα θα μάθουμε τους αριθμούς από το 10 μέχρι το 20 στα ελληνικά. 10, which is 10. 11, which is 11. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, and we also have the shorter version of it, 16, 16, 17, but we also have 17, 18, 18, but we also have 18, 19, and also 19, and 20, which is 20. We have two versions of 17, 18 and 19 because we have 7 and 7, 8 and 8, 9 and 9. And the 16, it's just a shorter version of the 16. The numbers 13 and 14 have masculine and feminine version of them. And it would be 13 for masculine and feminine, and 14 for masculine and feminine. Masculine and feminine. 13, 14. Examples, παραδείγματα. 13 βιβλία, 13 books. 13 ασκήσεις, 13 exercises. This is a comma, it's not an accent. The accent is here. 14 προγράμματα, 14 programs. 14 ειδήσεις, 14 news. The rest of them, they don't have masculine, feminine or neutral version of them. They just remain the same. And 20 is in the category of the tens together with the 10. And 10 and 20, they don't change. And all the tenths, they do not change. The only numbers that will be changing in the tenths as well would be 3 and 4, 3 and 4, and 1 as well. 11 doesn't change. 11 doesn't have a masculine or feminine or neutral version of it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was useful for you. If it was, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.